Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you've just gotten your hands on the Pixel 7 Pro or the Google Pixel 7 and you're looking for some awesome hidden features and tips and tricks, that is what we are going to cover in this video. So without any further delay, let us get down to business. So for our first hidden tip and trick for the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro, we're going to talk about how you dismiss your quick settings panel. So here it is. If I swipe up from the middle, I have to swipe up twice to dismiss my quick settings panel. However, if you swipe up from the bottom, you have to do it only once, and this works from both sides, the left side and the right side. The next tip and trick is to take a screenshot without pressing any buttons. Now, generally, to take a screenshot, you have to press your power and volume down together, and that takes a screenshot. However, on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, you can take a screenshot without pressing any physical buttons. All you have to do is say, we have to take a screenshot of the Twitter application. So we are going to open it, then we are going to go to our home screen. Then we can go to our recents and select screenshot, and bam, there it is. We've taken a screenshot of the Twitter page and we did not have to press any physical buttons. Our third hidden tip and trick for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is called quick phrases. So for starters, you have to activate it. You will go into settings, then you can go into search settings, and herein you can search for the word quick. Once you do that, you will have your Google Assistant quick phrases show up. As you can see, I have it enabled for alarms and timers, and similarly you can enable it for your incoming calls as well. Once you do this, that is, you enable your quick phrases, Assistant will be on hold. So let us say I have an alarm going on. I can say stop to stop the alarm, and I can also say the word snooze to snooze the alarm. Similarly, for your incoming calls, you can use answer, decline, and silence. The fourth hidden tip and trick for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is the ability to have a different language for an application, and this Google calls per app language. Where do you find this? You have to go into settings, system, languages and input, go into app languages. Now, a limitation over here is that the application has to support this feature, which is why all applications are not showing up over here. And right now we only have a limited number of Google applications showing up. So let us say I go into the clock application, and herein let me change the language to something else. But before I do that, here it is. The clock application right now is in English. So we can go back to the language selection. Let us change this to Hindi. So clock is now in Hindi, and now when I open the clock application, bam, there it is. You can see the menus, the text, everything has changed to Hindi. However, my system-wide language is still set as English, United States. So a pretty nifty feature for those of you who want a specific application in another language. Our fifth hidden tip and trick for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is the ability or the feature of opening the keyboard every time you open the application drawer, in case you have a bunch of apps installed and you want to search for them. So how do you enable that? You can open your application drawer, tap on the three dot menu on the top right. Herein you can say always show keyboard. So now whenever I open my application drawer, it is going to show the keyboard. Now Google has been changing the UI, and you might not have this three dot menu on the top right in your application drawer. In that case, go to your home screen, press and hold on the empty space, and on this menu we will go into home settings, then go into search your phone, and herein you will have this toggle again, always show keyboard. So now I will disable this, and now when I open my application drawer, the keyboard is not popping up. For our sixth hidden tips and tricks for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, we are going to activate interpreter mode. So here it is, we are on the home screen, and all I'm going to do is tap on this mic icon over here, interpreter mode. There it is. So now let us say I am in another country and I do not speak their language. However, I speak English, and let us assume they speak Hindi. Hey, how are you? मैं बढ़िया हूँ, आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? I'm doing great. How's the weather out there? मौसम आज काफी धूप है बाहर. So there it is. As you just saw, you can have a full conversation with anybody if you do not speak their language using the interpreter mode on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. For our seventh hidden tip and trick for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, we are going to call this the magic of Google Lens. So here it is, this icon over here, the one besides the mic. If I tap on this, it is going to open Google Lens. When you open it for the first time, it will ask for camera access. Now, herein, let us say I go into the translate option and I want to translate this text, and I'm saying from English to Hindi over here. Bam, there it is. I just point at it using my camera and it has been translated from English to whatever language you choose over here. You can select that and download more languages as well to translate. So a pretty nifty feature if you are out and about in another country and do not know how to read their language. Similarly, if I go into the text option, I can pick up any text from my pictures or from my camera. So here it is. I pointed over here. It picked up the text Samsung without any issues. So please remember that you have Google Lens on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, and it does have pretty awesome capabilities. Next hidden feature for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro can be found inside the camera application. So let us open the camera app. On the bottom, you will see something called cinematic. Now, this is a new feature which Google has added with the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. All you need to do is select an object, and then that object will be in focus. Everything around it would be blurred out and you can record awesome videos. Now, of course, this is not as good as Apple's cinematic mode, but something is better than nothing, and the results here from Google's implementation of cinematic mode on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro are decent enough. Our ninth hidden tip and trick for the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro is gaming dashboard. So for starters, you will go into settings, then you will go into the Google option over here. Herein you should have an option for game dashboard. For starters, enable the master toggle, and then you can also enable this game dashboard floating icon. If you want to not disturb for games, you can enable this toggle over here as well. Next up, let us open any game and you will see this arrow on the right hand side. Let me select this. I see a controller. Let me select this, and bam, here it is. This is the gaming dashboard. Now, optimization feature is not available for all games. It is the game which has to enable this feature. And other than the optimization, you have your achievements, and you can also live stream your game on YouTube live using the game dashboard. On top, you will see a bunch of options, and if you select those, all those shortcuts will be added over here. And this option over here is to enable or disable your do not disturb. Now, let us go back to the game, and here it is. You can see I have the FPS over here. I have the option of taking a screenshot, and this button over here in the middle is to screen record your game. And there it is, a hidden feature of gaming dashboard is available on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Our next hidden feature for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is called Magic Eraser. So let us open the Photos application. Let us choose this picture. Then we will go into Edit. Then we will go into Tools. Herein you will see the option of Magic Eraser. We can select this, and if it finds anything which the Google AI thinks is good enough to magically erase from your picture, then that will be highlighted. But let us say I want to remove this Rubik's cube. So you have two options. Either you encircle the object which you want to remove, and bam, there it is. You can see that it was removed. Or the other option is you can draw on top of it, and bam, the Rubik's cube is removed once again. The other nifty feature over here is if you want the object to blend in with the background, you can go into camouflage mode, and herein again you can do the same thing. Let us try the Rubik's cube, and bam, there it is. You can see it is no longer colorful and it blends in with the background. Once you're satisfied with the result, select on done, say save a copy, and a copy of the magically erased or camouflaged picture will be saved in your Google Photos application. Our next hidden feature or tip or trick for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is the ability to unblur photos or pictures. Now, super important thing to note over here is that you do not have to take this picture which you want to unblur from your Pixel 7 or the Pixel 7 Pro. You can use any picture from the internet, any past picture which you have taken, as long as it is on your device, you should be able to use this feature. All you have to do is go to the library, select the picture, and then you will go into the edit option. Once you are in the edit option, you'll have to go to tools, and herein you will see the option for unblur. Once you select unblur, then it is going to give you the level of unblur which you want, which you can configure by using the slider, and you can always press and hold on the picture to show you the original as well. And once you're done, all you have to do is select done on the device, then select save a copy on the bottom right, and you should be good to go. And for our last hidden feature for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, all you have to do is open the phone application, and then you have to tap on the three dot menu on the top right, go into settings. Once you are in settings, you will see two options, hold for me and spam and call screen. Now these are super cool, awesome features. Call screen is the ability to screen a call. If somebody is calling you, you can say screen this call, and it will tell the other person that this person is using an assistant by Google. Tell us the reason why you're calling, and when the other person responds, it will be translated into text for you, and then you can decide whether you want to answer the call or not. Similarly, for hold for me, let us say you're trying to get through to a customer care service, there's a long line, it is going to hold the call for you, and as soon as there's a person on the other line, it will unhold the call and you will be able to talk to the other person. So pretty great, awesome features available here on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro with respect to calling, call screen, and hold for me. And there it is, peeps. Those were some awesome hidden tips and tricks for the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro.